Hello guys, my name is Daniel from Dan Racing and welcome to the bike rebuild. Okay guys, here's the MVT ignition, straight from Spain. Let's get right onto it. Nice two stickers right here, one red, one black. Here is it, the MVT Digital Direct case. My hands are a little bit dirty, I just dirtied the case, but that's no problem. Here's the ignition part of it, so the stator, the orange part's the stator, and the rotor, which is the part that actually spins. As you can see, adjustable timing right here, so you spin the ignition which way you ever want. High tension coil right here. Here is the CDI for it, pretty small CDI in my opinion. Let's try and remove the cover now. Okay, so if I can get this off.
2,000 years later.
Okay, let's start it with the high tension coil. Basic coil, it just plugs in on here. Here's the ground part of it. Plugs in on here, high tension comes out of here, which feeds into the spark plug wire. For the CDI, pretty straightforward installation. It seems like some wiring. I haven't searched it or anything, so I can't really tell you what the wires do, but I'm pretty sure it says it here on the manual. So yeah. Okay, here's the timing, the adapter plate that fits most of engines from 50 to 70 cc or 50 to 125 cc. It also fits the 125, DTR, whatever. This is the actual stator part, ignition part of it. So again, pretty straightforward rotor, a taper in here to join with the crankshaft. Again, this is held by a crankshaft taper. So a nut goes here, it tightens and it holds against the crankshaft right here. Then the big stator part of it, actually looking pretty good. Actually looks really nice, as you can see. Again, digital direct here. Yeah, manage digital direct electronic ignition. So looks pretty nice. MVT a lo match. I'm pretty sure that's ignition for Spanish. Again, the adapter plate fits right here, and boom, there it goes. Looking pretty, right? We're gonna install this on the bike today, but in here we still have the digital direct instructions. So the bike's finally rebuilt. We had a few problems on the way. The bike runs pretty good. I'm gonna do some pulls, some wheelies. So stay with this last footage. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time, I hope. My name's Daniel from Dan Racing, and keep living life. Just keep riding, keep doing whatever you want, because I do whatever I want. And I freaking love it. I freaking love doing what I want. So, see you guys.
Bye.